Hi guys, masyadong haggard yung mukha ko dito kasi na-stress ako doon sa airport natin sa atin. At ito na nga guys, nakarating na ako ng Thailand. Ayan, welcome to Thailand. Sa airport yan dito guys. Ayan siya. Tapos, ito na guys, andito na ako ngayon sa service ng hotel. Kasi ihahatid ako doon sa hotel. Bali ako lang mag-isa. Tas gabi din siya. Tas ito yung view niya sa gabi guys. Parang Pilipinas lang din pala, no? Ayan siya. Okay, tamo, naka-VIP pa ako. Kita mo naman yung kaganda ng binok sa akin ng agency ko. Naka-VIP car pa ako, char. At ito na nga pala guys yung aking room. Ayan, malaki. Bali pang couples to guys eh. Kaso, mag-isa nga lang kasi ako. Kaya ayan. Yan siya, yung aking room. Bali, gabi rin ako dumating dito guys. Ayan siya, yan ang aking kama. At tayo'y matutulog muna kasi nga gabi ako dumating at magpapahinga muna guys kasi na-stress din ako sobra doon sa immigration natin doon sa Pilipinas. At muntik na akong hindi makalusot. O diba? Pero naawa din ng Diyos, nakalusot din. At ito na nga guys, umaga na. Ito yung view sa labas ng hotel ko guys. Ito yung view niya. Bali umaga pa ngayon. Yan, mayroon din siyang mga niyog. Ayan siya guys. Andito nga pala ako sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ayan. Yan yung kanyang view dito sa labas. Tapos mamaya guys, magtutor nga pala tayo doon sa mga Buddha. At ito na nga guys, first day ay magtutor tayo kasi wala nang time. Kasi ilang days lang ako dito. So mag-tour tayo agad. I-tutor ko kayo guys doon sa mga temples. At ito na nga yung view ng daanan nila guys. Parang Pilipinas lang, no? Medyo traffic din sila. Tapos ang weather nga pala ngayon dito guys is mainit. Ayan guys, dumating na tayo dito sa unang pupuntahan natin na temples. At yung aking tour guide guys, hahayaan ko lang yan siya na lang yung mag-explain dyan. Mag-explain niya yan lahat.
Okay. This is the lucky area of the Buddhist people. If you want to make a wish, you can standing in front of the Buddha image and pray. You believe you can get back lucky if you want to make a wish. Okay. And then first room, second room, last room. The last room that is the place of the reclining Buddha. The reclining Buddha. Okay. Thank you.
At ito na nga yung kanilang Buddha guys na nakahiga. Mahaba ito guys. Iikot tayo. At dito daw, pwede kang mag-wish. Mayroon dyan, wishing bowl. Tapos pwede ka rin dyan maglagay ng coins. Ayan sila, yung mga itim guys. Pwede kang maglagay dyan ng coins, tapos pwede kang mag-wish. Malaki yan siya guys sa personal. Yan siya. Bale, itong temple na to guys, malaki ito, malawak, pero dito lang kami nagpunta. Kasi yung time namin may limit. Every temple, kailangan meron lang kaming 25 minutes para umikot. Yan lang. Meron lang kami 25 minutes dito. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. First day ko ngayon sa Thailand. Ako ngayon sa temple ng Thailand. Nagtutour. Kasama ko mga ako lang yata ang Pinay. Kasama ko ang mga kana. Kasama ko sa sasakyan sa van ang
And you can enjoy eating many kind of food, seafood, Thai food, like that.
Veg Thai
Veg Thai food. Do you know if you are vegetarian people, very difficult for you to find our food because mostly of the food in Thai style is like the non-vegetarian. If you want to eat some in your hotel location, like the Indra Market also have like the Indian restaurant for vegetarian. But if you looking for the pure vegetarian Thai style, very very few. I think only 10% in Thailand because mostly non-vegetarian people. Okay, and the highlight of the temple that I told you, this Buddha very special because it's made from the real gold and the pure gold. The weight of the Buddha image about 5.5 tons. 5 tons of gold. 18 karat gold. The Buddha in the Guinness Book record as the biggest Buddha image made of gold in the world. As you see right now, we are right. The Buddha on top of this building, you can see the marble building over there. This building is made when Thai people we celebrate the age of the King Rama number 9 when he was about 80 years. But right now he dead already. His son become the current king of Thailand. That's why you see the photo over there. And you know when Thai people we found the Buddha image, nobody know it's made from the real one because it was coupled with the plaster with the cement. And one day the heads of monk in this temple decided to build this building. And when it finished, during moving the Buddha to the top of the building by the slave, the Buddha dropped off around in front of the ticket counter because it's very heavy. And then some piece of the plaster cracked out and showing the yellow one inside. That's why we know until nowadays it's made from the real gold. Okay.
ito yung ticket namin guys. Bali 100 baht siya. At ito yung entrance niya guys. Papuntang taas. Paakyat kami sa taas. Yan. Bali dito guys, pwede ka lang mag-video sa baba, pataas, pero sa loob, dyan sa loob na yan, hindi ka pwedeng mag-video. pwede lang mag-picture, bawal siya mag-video. Tapos, pag pumasok dyan sa loob guys, kailangan tanggal yung shoes mo. Lahat nakapaa. At super ganda dyan sa loob guys.
Alam ko, grabe ng init.
Dyan pala binibili yung mga yung mga porsilas na mga singsing, yung parang pang pongsoy. May nabili din ako dyan. Ayan siya. Asensya na guys. Hindi natin nakita yung loob kasi bawal. Sa picture na lang siya guys. Alam niyo guys, may nabili ako sa Pilipinas na porsilas na kasamang singsing. Halagang 1,200 yata yon. Pero dito sa temple ng Thailand guys, magkano lang ang nabili ko? Dalawa na. 300 baht lang. Grabe no? Alis na kami guys. Pupunta naman daw kami doon sa kabilang temple. At ito na yung temple guys na panghuli namin pinuntahan. Ang loob daw nito is puro Buddha. Ayan siya guys. Papasok tayo dyan at tatanggalin din natin yung ating shoes.
The king Rama number 5, he was called like the modern king. In his period, like the Switzerland, Italy, German. And when he come back to Thailand, he wished to build this one from the original from the Kerala, Italy. And the marble from the Kerala, Italy back to about 100 years ago is very famous and very quite expensive. But the king Rama number 5.
Ito pala yung Rama number 5. Yan. Cute siya. Maliit lang siya. Dito la doon sa kabila na giant.
Here very special. This called Praputa Shinala Buddha image. Praputa Shinala Buddha image very special because at the Buddha base we keep the ashes of the King Rama number 5. The person who ordered to build the temple. The Buddhist people after we die we will keep the body not too long. Maybe 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, and then we burn the body. After that, we will separate the ashes. Some we put in the river, like the Hindu style, and some we keep at the Buddha. But the person who keep the ashes at the Buddha is special person only, like a king, queen, royal member. For the normal people, we will keep in the house. Yes. The first and Thai style, this is the Thai style. So you can see the face, this is the Thai face style. And this is the Cambodia style. So you can see for the people who want to build some Buddha, if he can do it. He will do the face of the Buddha, like the person face in the country, like the Cambodia, Indian face, Pakistan face. So you see now, this is the Thai face, this is the Indian face. Pakistan face also different, but mostly of the Buddha here, Thai style.
Thai style.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 Japanese country.
Japanese.
And another country, Burma country, 5 country in here.
500.
Five country. 52 Buddha, 52, 5 country in here. But you know the Buddhism go around the world.
Yeah.
In Philippines, Christian.
Christian.
Uh-huh.
But you know,
Yeah.
I believe Buddha because
Yeah. And
in my house, sometimes I'm buying small figure and
oh.
Buddha. Sometimes it gives you luck. It's depend on you. Yeah.
And you can see the style of the Buddha base over here. You see this is like the color gases. You know, for the Thai people, we believe of the color.
Color, yeah, like lucky color.
When you are at the chain, if you wanna purchase some item, earring, necklace, the ring that is matching of your birthday,
Yeah.
over there you can. Because for the Thai people, this is the Burma.
Burma?
Yeah, Burma country, Burma fair.
Yeah.
This is the Thai fair, Burma fair. If you like to get like a good item, gift for yourself, a good luck color, Burma over there.
I bought one.
Buses.
Like this bangles in the temple. The one that not allowed to take picture.
That is for the thing that is like the protect you for the budget.
Yeah.
Yeah, taking and then we go.
Yeah, okay. Ganda dito, guys. Nare-relax man ako dito eh. Parang nawawala yung mga negative energy. Ganda, guys. Kaso lang mainit ngayon kasi summer dito. Yan. Bawal dito pumasok na chinelas. Iwan yung chinelas. At nandito naman tayo ngayon, guys, sa James Gallery. Bali, isa itong parang mall na puro gyms yung laman ng loob. Dinadayo talaga ito ng mga tourist guys. Tapos, andito din yung mga paggawaan nila, mamimili ka kung ano yung gusto mo. Tapos, pinapakita din nila, guys, kung paano nila gawin. Pero, hindi na ako ng video kasi parang di ata pwede. Ayan. At ito naman, guys, yung night market nila dito sa Thailand. Andito yung mga mumurahing bilihin. Marami din ditong pangpa-beauty. At dito ako nakabili ng aking mga vitamin C, collagen, glutathione. Tapos, marami din ditong street food. Dito rin ako bumili ng aking pagkain. At ang kabilang street niyan, guys, ay ang daming pwede kang magpapamasahe at ang mura lang.